realize that you're just like the milk? How long you stay well depends on your environment. Your fridge.
Oh, thanks for this awesome video.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. What I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference.
Beginning and ending. First two lines and last two lines should always be here. Let's go. Stay here, no problem. Another thing is sometimes when you start using the stage, what it shouldn't be is many people want to use the stage, and some people just have kind of like a morning walk. The next point I want to talk about this thing to you guys is this, and the point after that is this, and the third point of, just imagine if is that your phone? Pramod, is that your phone? Yeah. Quickly, I'll show you something. Imagine if there was a movie right now, and if I showed you like this, how do you feel? Right? Watch it. It's very important to have body language, he heard in some blog. So gotta keep moving. So it shouldn't happen that way. So every move you make on stage should be purposeful. So let's say you're starting in the front, and then you say, I have 3 points to cover today. The first point is, and in the mind, you break the stage in 3 parts. In the mind, you don't tell them. You don't say, now I'm getting into the first part right now, okay? You in the mind, this is the first, this is the second, this is the third. So you start here. The first point I want to talk about today is the value of waking up late. I think people who really want to wake up late, that's great, because at night sometimes you get creative juices flowing. You write a lot, just like I do. So people who are really creative can spend a little time. That would be a good book title, How to Get Up Late. Anyways, so you can do that. The second point I want to talk about today is the value of actually journaling every single day. One of the things we teach you is actually how to journal, blah, 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 blah. And the third point is the value of hanging out with the right people. Most people are like the milk. The Tetra Pak milk. Think about it, Alok, for a second. Now let me ask Dr. Pradeep. If I take a Tetra Pak milk, sir, and if I put it on a shelf, how many days do you think it will stay in a good condition before it spoils? 1 month? Okay. What about the normal kind of liquid milk? 1 day. What if I take the same milk, instead of putting on the shelf, I put it inside a refrigerator? Now? 1 week, or maybe 3 days, I don't know, but more than 1 day for sure. Do you realize that you're just like the milk? How long you stay well depends on your environment. Your fridge. The fridge of friendship, the right friends, the fridge of the right mentors. If you go out, you're gonna get spoiled very fast. But if you stay in the right environment, you stay cool, chilled, and this. So these are the 3 things that I talked about today. Anyways, I want to remind you, and boom, I end again. So see, I started here, first point, second point, third point, end here. That's how you use the stage properly.
Stand up for the champions, for the champions.